In this video, I'd just like to provide you with an overview of the closed caption, transcript, and the ability to search the transcripts in all Echo 360 recordings. So on the screen right now, you're seeing a recording from an EKG lecture given by Dr. Troy Randall, and I'm going to use this as my example. So over in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a little CC icon. When you see the CC icon, what you're able to do is then click on that, and you can turn closed captions from off to on, which will then just appear sort of in the bottom of the screen. You're also able to change the size of the closed caption files. So if I go ahead and click play,
you should be able to understand the different parts of the EKG.
You can see that the closed captions now come up. If I wanted to change those settings again, and let's say change the size, change the contrast, location, or alignment, I can do that as well. Now for the moment, I'm going to turn the closed captions off so I can show you the transcript system. Up on the upper right, you can see I can click on this little icon to bring up the transcripts. First thing I want to point out is that you have the ability to download a transcript file to your computer, but what you can also see is a transcript that shows up for the recording. So now if I play the recording again,
your P wave, QRS, T wave, be able to determine your axis.
You can see that as Dr. Randall speaks, the yellow bar within the transcript follows along, so you can always kind of tell where you are. Now, what's great about this is if you fast forward, if you skip to a different part of the recording, the transcript will automatically come with you. But to me, really the most powerful part of this system is the ability to search the transcript. So let's say in this recording, you know that Dr. Randall talked about bundle branch block, and you want to go in and just confirm some things in your notes. So you could technically just kind of scrub through the recording and jump to different parts, but what you have the ability to do now is actually search for the particular term or phrase that you want within the recording. So when I type in bundle, branch, and block, we can see that that comes in with 3 results. And if I use the right arrow key, that will actually show me where in the recording this is. Even better, if I click on that, it will take me to that time in the recording, and if I click play,
and then I have 2 types of bundle branch blocks. One's a left.
So I can go right to the section of the recording that I need to get to. Now, even better, you can do this within a particular lecture, but you can also do it across multiple lectures. So let me go to the cardio course itself. And this will bring up a list of all of the lectures that were delivered. But what I can also do is just come over here to this little search link. That will take me to the search interface, and I'm just going to switch this to transcript. And again, what I can do is just search on bundle, branch, and block. Now, if I do this particular search, what the system is actually going to do is it's going to look for bundle or bundles, branch or branches or branching, block or blockage or blocks or blockages, etc., etc. So it kind of uses these words as stems and then all other iterations surrounding. So we can see if I search for these 3 words, it's going to bring me 162 results. And again, that's because it's changing the stemming on these words, but it's also looking for bundle or branch or block. If I want to search this as a phrase, I just need to wrap it in quotes. And when I do that and search, we're going to see it brings the results down to 5. Now, you may want to try it both ways, depending on how the phrase or the terms were used in the recording. You may not be able to just search one way. Sometimes you have to search multiple ways, but you can now do that within and across all of the recordings to find what it is that you need in order to be able to clarify your notes, review something for an upcoming exam, etc.